Yes, mi casa so casa.
See the tree on his house?
Oh yeah.
Oh crap.
Oh yeah.
He's screwed.
Do they come often?
Nope.
So it's gonna.
This is the war zone.
It's gonna be a while before you get help.
Oh, you're not kidding. You're
will.
not kidding, my friend. See the transformer there? This tree I throw, that transformer comes down.
Wow.
Are those lines hot?
No.
Son of a.
Look at this, Gord. And that's probably 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, let's say, yeah, you guys had, I think you guys had a bit of a microburst here.
Oh, we had it bad up here.
And I was.
Quite a bit up here.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
So what a weekend we picked to have the garage. What are they asking for this place, do you know?
69, I think. Well, you probably get a lower net after the roof goes over again.
Crap.
This is where it hit.
Hello. I hear something in the